Let's see how to send a large file through Gmail. First, open your Chrome browser and go to Gmail. Normally, Gmail allows attachments up to 25 megabytes. If your file is larger, you'll need to use Google Drive. To do that, click on the small 9-dot menu at the top right corner and select the Google Drive icon. Now, upload your file by clicking the plus button, then choose File Upload. Select the file from your computer, and you'll see it uploading. Once the upload is complete, refresh the page. You'll see your file there. Click on the three dots, go to Share, and copy the link. Now, go back to Gmail, paste the link into your email body, and click Send. You can also set sharing preferences. Either only the recipient can view it or anyone with the link can view. After choosing, click Send. There's also a quicker way. Just attach the file directly in Gmail like you normally do. If it's too large, Gmail will automatically upload it to Google Drive and insert the link for you. Then, just select your sharing preference and send. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing if this video was helpful.